Hey shoppers, today we have an electric cooktop. It's 110 volt. It has 2 burners, a nice digital screen, and one cooktop is a little bit larger than the other. You can do high and keep things warm and cook an egg, or you can just keep things warm on low. As you can see here, my egg is cooking. It is fiery red hot, so this thing heats up. This is great for camping. If you have a cabin, we have a cabin and we don't have a stovetop. So this portable electric stovetop is perfect. We are boiling water and cooking an egg all at the same time. It does come with an instruction manual on how to operate it and care for it. It has accessories on different ways to install it. It does heat up all the way to 9, or you can go as low as 1. You control it right here with this knob, and it is definitely making us food. It's cooking at the same time. This is how you adjust the heat by simply turning this knob.